But effectively, I ignore this. Just treat this like a engulfing candle, because it is in a larger time frame. And returning back into the orange, it is also a head and shoulder pattern, but in that green selling now. So tomorrow, what you need to be looking out for is understanding that this is a continuation structure, right? We closed the inverse cup, as I mentioned. We had that head and shoulder pattern of the handle with that complete rejection here. In that green selling continuation structure now, that's also part of this orange selling continuation. Nothing's changed, right? So pay close attention to that tomorrow. If we are continuing trending down in that orange, or right with that green selling, right? Green selling, green selling. You understand this in terms of its continuation structure here. Now, there are several structure here I want to be talking about, and that is one of this blue here. Now, ideally, we have some sort of retracement here of the orange and the blue. That will be ideal, right, to show that the sellers still have strength on the way down here. But otherwise, just be careful, because it's Friday tomorrow. I will be a little bit more cautious if we run out of continuation, right? Shorts may cover, and we start to have some sort of liquidity wedge that may be starting to form within this range here, with the 5-day moving average within. So just be careful if we start getting pinned in the liquidity wedge. Now, any reversal here, you have to wait for 5-day moving average. That's not new information, right? So look out for the liquidity that's being built here, right? There is pretty nice liquidity at that 660 level. If we take a look, right, that was near to that 660 here, as well as the 664 level here. Pay close attention to this particular level here, where the 664 is this liquidity here, right? So pay close attention to that liquidity range here. If the market wants to grab the liquidity, this will be it. At first, breaking out from that orange, which we have returned to. So several confirmation if this wants to bounce out, right? Orange first, 5-day moving average, and this magenta rhythm here. So pay close attention to all these three very important levels here. Quite straightforward day, I think, right? If you are not biased, right? So yesterday, it's quite dangerous, right? If you read too much online, or watch too many opinions instead of being focused to find profits in the charts. I've started the day with a bullish bias, you would be absolutely crushed. And that's why you cannot develop a bias. As much as, well, the mind is a weak contraption, right? It just wants to choose the path of least resistance and choose